Good afternoon. We are in beautiful, beautiful Herman. I can hear the train coming. I had to go to quite a few spots before I was satisfied here. And I know I've done this many times, but it's always so beautiful here. I got my tripod on a snowdrift to give it a little bit of height to get over those other piles of snow from when they plowed. But the sun hits those trees just right, and it's just, oh my gosh. It's just so beautiful up here. But there's so much snow. Here comes the train. I'm just aching to get down there and do some exploring. Oh, is that beautiful? The sun's shining. Oh, thank you, sun. Thank you, sun. Oh, it looks beautiful. Getting anything? I'm not really sure. I can't see here because I'm on this drift.